So basically I've taken my measurement from this point on the rack here, and I've just measured to the end of, the start of where the tie rod comes out. Also I've centered the steering wheel inside the cabin, and what you can actually see is down here on the rack itself. You can see there's a marking just here on the rack body and this brown collar. So if I just give that a tug, you'll see that it moves slightly. So basically you want to take note of where that's sitting. Once you've centered the steering wheel upstairs, you want to remove the bolt here and loosen this one up top. You should be able to slide that up onto the steering column. Just had a quick double check of the mount bolts, and they are all the same size, so can't go wrong there. One last bit. On the left hand side you can see here there's a heat shield. There's the heat shield that lives above the left-hand tie rod. All you're going to have to do so that the inboard side up here is attached to the upper bracket for the steering rack itself. That'll be pretty obvious when you go to do it. And this lower bolt here is also attached to the heat shroud. So you're going to have to undo that. Looks like a 12mm. Take that off. And this heat shield should come off with relative ease. So I've got the upgraded Nismo bushes, very self-explanatory. Where is my cutter? Got a funny triangle half circle one that goes on the right hand side of the rack, and you've got the perfect circle. Alright, let's bang it in. bush. So let's wriggle that in if we can. So time to install the steering rack boots. I only had one spare. This is a genuine Nissan. Apparently no one's got them. So the next best thing was I found a set of these, which I believe for a Falcon AU. They've got the same big end diameter, a slightly bigger small end diameter, and they're only just a touch shorter. So look, better than having no boot on there at all. So I thought I'll get two of them, whack them off for now, and that'll get me out of trouble. Bleed us to help keep the water out, so. Alright, so just having a look at the manual here. The tie rod nut needs to be torqued between 22 and 36 foot-pounds. It is split pin, so I'd suggest starting at the lower end, see where you line up. If it doesn't line up, I'd suggest backing it off, trying a second time. If it still doesn't line up, then slowly increase your torque up to 36.